everybody, and welcome back to the Las Vegas Real Estate Show. I'm your host, Kevin Hadamiel.
And I'm George O'Brien. We're in Sun City, Summerlin. This is Kevin's latest flip.
Yeah,
we talked about it before. I mean, we've been here before in Sun City. We've also talked about Kevin's flip as it was going on. So it's finally ready. We want to show you. It's a beautiful job that they did here. And I'm excited for you guys to see it.
Well, what do you like most about the house?
Well, actually, the area right here behind me. We're standing in it. I like this area right here going into the office.
Nice,
so you guys will see that as well.
All right. Well, listen, you're going to see a nice tour of the house here, and we'll see you at the end of the tour.
Yes. The latest flip in Sun City. I've seen this house up front and personal. It's super nice. You did a great job, and
appreciate that.
Kudos to you. Kevin's actually the designer, in case you're wondering. He did all this. All this came from him.
So we're going to go through this here. Sun City, which is 55 community. You can see here it's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an office. Single story, 2,102 square feet. So let's kind of go through it. We can see here, the house is a big, great room when you walk in. Everything in the house is brand new. Kitchen, appliances. This is a 10-foot island. Custom cabinetry on the island. And you'll see a lot of custom woodwork in here. You can see the drop lids I did above the dining table there.
Yeah, one over the kitchen as well.
Everybody's just fallen in love with everything here.
I love the coloring too. That's really the in shade.
Well, you know, you do a lot of study,
there.
and this piece right here was an inspiration that I had. I actually saw this design on Pinterest, and I said, you know what, I want to replicate that in my next flip. And then this house came up, and I found the perfect spot for it right here.
Did you just save the picture and just kept it handy?
I did. I did.
Nice.
And again, it's large. That piece of glass is 8 feet tall. So it's a large piece, but it fit perfect in that spot right there. And I get a lot of compliments on it because there's a lot of backlighting in this house.
Yeah, I definitely noticed that real quick too.
Big 16-foot door. There's the front door. The feature
That's a
wall.
wide open space right there.
It is. This feature wall right here was also inspired doing. I'm always just researching different designs.
Sure.
Right.
Sure.
And believe it or not, it's really funny that online there's so many AI designs out there, and they make it look like it's already somebody's homes. It's built already.
Right.
But it's not. It's an idea.
Right.
And so my inspiration for this TV wall right here was off of AI, and I was fortunate that I have a really good carpenter. That's a wood veneer that we put together. It's got LED lighting all the way around it. Built that black hearth there.
So did you just show him a picture of what you found?
I draw it up on
then
paper.
You just kind of give it to him, and he goes with it. He knows what to do.
No, I draw it up, measurements, everything. Then he comes out to the house. We double check measurements again. I already had it pre-framed before he had to put what he had to put on with my other framer. Because there's 2 kinds of carpenters, right? I met this carpenter on the golf course because you know how much I golf, right? And I'm out golfing, and I'm out there, and I hook up with these 2 golfers, and always, hey, what do you do for a living? Blah blah blah. And he goes, I'm a carpenter. And anytime someone tells me they're a carpenter, I go, well, are you a framing carpenter or are you a finished carpenter?
Right.
Because it's 2 different kinds of carpenters.
Yeah. He
goes, I'm a finished carpenter. I said, beautiful, because I just buying this house. I'm gonna need your service over here. Let me see how good you are, right? And he did just a fantastic job.
I guess you'll be using him again.
I'll use him again for sure. He was great, super nice guy, and we've been golfing weekly since. So, just another golf partner.
Awesome.
You can see the big island, the ceiling drops. Again, this place at night, the mood lighting of it is really spectacular.
Yeah, I was going to comment on that in the wall treatment.
Yeah, this area here is my butler pantry. I put it off to the side since I opened up the house. I knew there wasn't a lot of actual cabinet space over there by the refrigerator and the sink, that I built this over here, more cabinet space. The actual pantry's right there, as you can see.
Got the wine cooler there.
Got the wine cooler, the little wine rack, and the floating shelves with lots of lighting. And this is the private office. So I installed the double glass French door. I did the ceiling in there, as you can see, with the cladding.
Yeah.
That back desk is a custom desk that matches the wood veneer and the rest of the house. So everything just ties together really, really well.
So this should give people an idea of the detail that was involved in doing this house. Like that ceiling right there, 99% of the time, it'd just be the regular ceiling.
It would just be a regular ceiling.
Right.
Now, this room...
In a redo like this.
Exactly. This is a 10 by 12 room, which is just large enough for an office. If you didn't want an office, you could put a little day bed or something in there. But understanding Sun City, I do a lot of business up there. I know what the retirees are looking for. A lot of them say, hey, I need a 3-bedroom. And I go, why 3? They go, well, the main room, the guest room, and I need an office. So they generally return an office. I mean, one of the 3rd bedroom into an office. And in this case, I have 2 bedrooms and an office. So it really plays like a 3-bedroom.
Sure.
Although because there's no closet in there, I can't call it a 3rd bedroom.
Right. If somebody needs 3 bedrooms for whatever reason, a retiree, which I don't see why they would, but if they did, they could put a closet in there with IKEA closet or something.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So here's the primary.
Which is big.
It is a good sized primary. I put that slider in there. It takes you right outside of the golf course and the spa. That's the closet on the left, the bathroom on the right. This is the only room that I carpeted, but I did have the closet company come out and do the closet build out. So these are brand new.
Okay.
Right. It's a nice size closet. I redirected the access to this closet. It used to have access from the bathroom, and now it's out from inside the room here. I added this door to create more space.
Right.
I have all that shelving on the right there for shoes or sweaters or whatever.
Yeah,
And here's the
very convenient.
primary bathroom. Great finishes in there.
Is gold making a comeback or what?
Well, gold's again. So what's the comeback is this? Is the designers typically for the last, I would say, 5 to 7 years, you choose a color, your metal color of your home. It could be black, it could be gold, it could be chrome,
right,
or satin, whatever
gold,
the finish.
whatever.
But now for 2025, they want you to use multiple metals in any given room. So it's either black or gold or a mixture of both, or satin. In that primary bathroom, it's gold and the fixtures in the
instead of one color
shower.
throughout, huh?
Right, you want to mix them up. This is the laundry room, which I expanded and put those lower cabinets all the way across the left there, which is like a folding table for you. And then added the sink and the upper cabinet there, and that's the access to the garage.
Good size.
This is the secondary bedroom. I just, in here, added a little custom feature. Every room has custom feature. This one is the wainscoting, as you can see along the wall here. Added that for a feature in there to give it. In every window.
Which, by the way, is very unique. Most of these homes, the secondary bedrooms, plain.
Yeah. And I cased out every window in the house, right? Just to give it a real custom feel. The compliments I've been having on this, it feels like a Toll Brothers house.
Really?
Which is a really big compliment.
Yeah, sure.
I really enjoyed that compliment. So this is a good guest room. Here's the secondary bathroom, tub shower combo. Decided to kind of spruce it up with the blue tile there. My wife picked that blue tile out to add some color in there. But
I like it.
Yeah, that whole other wall.
I like that a lot. It almost acts as an accent wall. But I like the blue because, bathroom, it's like with water.
Right.
There's a connection there. So you got the blue there. So
there,
yeah,
I did the wainscot on the left wall here because this bathroom is for that secondary bathroom.
Sure.
It's bedroom. So they correlate together,
yes.
right? Yeah. So, and did the black finishes. And as you can see, so the sink is black, but the shower is satin. See how I mixed the metals? That's what the big designers want us to do. You got to do a lot of homework when you do these properties. You can't just paint them.
There's a lot of time, effort, and money involved. So
there is. So you can see this is a great vantage point of that feature, that glass feature, the mirror on the wall there. See the lighting?
I love it.
That's what makes that feature.
That light.
That light.
Yes.
Right. To have that glow behind there. And I only saw a picture of it, so I had to figure out how they did that.
Okay.
I will share it with you, but it's top secret now.
Oh, is it?
You're going to have to figure that one out yourself or buy this home, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. So,
but the lighting on top of the ceilings
of the lids too.
Yeah, that's
so
nice.
Had a drone footage done. This is the hole we were on. We're on the 12th hole right there with these amazing mountain views.
I remember that view.
So that's the property. It's for sale.
Fantastic job.
$1.2 million. Give me a call if you want to have a private tour of this thing or you're looking to move and want to take advantage.
Right. It's awesome.
All right. So, guys,
great job.
I hope you enjoyed that. I'm looking for my next property, and we'll do something more spectacular, George.
Wow. If that's even possible.
It's possible. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Take care. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the property here. Remember, it is for sale at $1.225 million. Exquisite. And if you need a private tour, just contact me and I'll bring you out here.
I just want to remind everyone, this is a 55 and over community, so just keep that in mind. And yeah, it's a beautiful home. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it.
Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and also that thumbs up button if you really like this video, if it helped you out and you want to watch more, hit that notification bell. We'll appreciate that very much. Also, look, if you're looking to buy or sell in the luxury market here in Las Vegas, you got to reach out to George and I. We're the experts here. So our information is below to be able to contact us. All right?
And we'll see you on the next video.
Take care.